Trading, a risky and stressful job. How to win and make profits in a constantly volatile market. Forex. Cryptocurrency, a financial market with a jaw-dropping daily turnover of $5.1 trillion. What do you need to win in this market? Capital, experience, technical analysis, ability to handle situations, firm trading psychology, market information, etc. It can be seen that up to 80% of traders are losing money in this market, but can you imagine what rewards for the winners in this market are? Dream houses, supercars, luxurious yachts, worldwide travels to enjoy life. The winners are millionaires, billionaires. Do you want to become one of them? What is the solution? Tools to help you win, even if you don't have much time and experience. Welcome to Trade Follow Global. Follow the successful traders. Their results are your results. A complex task has been simplified for a trader. You don't have to spend hours and get tired of sitting in front of the computer screen to observe the market. You don't have to make strategy and self-trade. We have a powerful team of excellent traders who have years of experience and large income in the financial market. They will do it for you. Lowest risk, because we have experience of financial management and risk prevention for you. Insurance for your losses up to 50%. Daily trading strategy, generating daily income for you from 0.5% to 2% per day, 7 days per week, and 365 days per year. Spend your precious time for yourself and your family. Trade Follow Global will bring sustainable income to you. Don't waste time solving a difficult problem. Find someone who can help you. Register and use our services. Tradefollow.global. Follow to success.